tayo sa ating area. So ayan, nagda-drive na si Maner at ayan yung kasama natin. So siya yung partner ko yun sa paggagawa ng lobo natin, guys. So keep on watching. So ayan guys, napakaganda yung mga lugar nila, maraming puno. So it's I call Villa. Napakaganda ang place na to. More on trees.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
I've been there before.
Really?
Yes. So last time we do it here like market.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential inside of me, but they hate me successful cause I'm trying to be. They said the big and just to my best for trying to be shit. They just want you to say that I'm giving everything. So get a good job, don't slack off. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
So ayan guys, malapit na tayong matapos. I-finalize na lang natin mamaya pag-transfer natin. So tara.
pas de soleil,
So ayan guys, hindi pa tayo tapos sa pag-sit up kasi pa-finalize pa natin yung area. So pero yung lobo tapos na namin na lobo, na-sit up na namin. Pero yung finalize kung saan talaga ilalagay, hindi pa namin alam kasi hinintay pa namin yung amo natin. So ayan, nandito pa yung mga dahon. Hindi ko pa alam guys kung saan nilalagay kasi ewan ko sa table na to kung ito na ba talaga ang sit up ng table. So mamaya guys.
guys, this is Amir Khan, two-time world boxing champion. I'm here with Greg. Make sure you subscribe on his page, Greg Balloons. Alright bro?
Yeah, thank you bro.
I tell you.